Hi, Southwest Florida. This is Trish Carter. Thanks for joining Coffee Break with Tricia. I am just jumping on here real quick to say hello. It's been a while since I've done a video. I'm sorry for that. Been real busy as friends that are now home are calling. But just wanted to check in with everybody, see how everybody in the Southwest Florida area are doing. I'm sure we've rediscovered, like some of us rediscovered our pools and the slower life here down in Florida, but I'm hoping everyone is staying safe. I just wanted to mention a couple of things. One reason why I'm getting on here later than I wanted to was because I just received a call from one of my clients asking me whether she should do a forbearance or a loan modification, being that she had to close down her place of business. And I told her to make sure she asked plenty of questions because the information from each bank is different, and for each creditor it varies. She has very good credit and a very good standing with her bank, and so far they said that they would not expect her to pay the whole amount at the end of the three months. If she did the forbearance, what she could do is pay what she can afford each month, and then they would work something out after the third month. Or if she did a modification, it would not hurt her credit. I've heard from other creditors that the total opposite would happen, that if you did a forbearance for 3 months, at the fourth month, you have to pay for those 3 months plus interest, and then also pay your fourth month. And from what I'm understanding now, it's all according to what bank you or mortgage company you're dealing with and what your credit has been so far with them. Also with modification, the same situation. A loan modification is to revamp your loan to make it add on an additional 30 years. Some creditors, they will ding your credit report for it, others won't. Again, all according to your standards with the bank and what you can work out. So ask a lot of questions. Make sure you read the fine print. It's very important that you read the fine print on these things before you sign them electronically, so that you don't get messed up at the end or wind up owing more money than you wanted to. Another thing is Census 2020, because of having to be quarantined, isn't happening like it's supposed to. It happens every 10 years, and it's important that we all take the census. This helps the government decide who is going to get, what area is going to get what kind of financial aid, as far as school, the way the grounds are, the roads are paved, government programs and what have you. So it's very important that you get on to census2020.gov and do the census. They are hoping that at the end of the quarantine period that census workers can be sent out to those who don't have computers or didn't get it in the mail and send it back in. But if you receive the survey in the mail, please fill it out and send it back in. If you have access to a computer, get on the computer and fill it out. It only takes a matter of 10 to 15 minutes. It's really not that complicated. So if you want to be counted, please do. I just wanted to check in and see how everybody's doing, so please leave me a comment and hello, or if you have a question, feel free to leave the question and I'll try to answer it as quickly as possible. I got into the real estate business because I enjoy helping people, especially through the selling and purchasing process. Homes are still selling right now. I just put a house on the market just the other day, and already it's had several showings. So homes are selling. If you're a buyer, if you're thinking about buying and you are in a situation where you do have a definite job, some healthcare workers and some teachers and other workers still have jobs, so they can still afford to purchase. Why give your money away to a landlord when you can own your own and earn equity in a property? And if you're thinking about selling, even if you don't want to sell right now, contact me. We can talk about ways you can plan ahead and do things now that will help you so that you'll be ready to put your house on the market when we bounce back from this coronavirus that's going around. In the meantime, I want to give a shout out to all of the healthcare workers, all those people working in the hospital, keeping it clean, truckers, people working in the supermarket. Hopefully the supermarket or the stores that are staying open are taking the necessary precautions to protect you while they're making money. And I hope you're taking that necessary. If you don't have to go out, stay self-quarantined. It's for your benefit and for everyone else's benefit. If you do need to go out, make sure it's at a time that a lot of other people aren't out. I know I go out for a morning walk early in the morning as soon as the sun rises, because first of all, it gets hot as heck here already. And also just to avoid meeting up with a lot of people on my walk. But this way I get my vitamin D in for the day, and I get out there and avoid others. But stay safe. I look forward to seeing you and talking to you again soon. I will be doing follow-up videos, one about preparing your home for sale during this time of being home, what you can do to get it ready, and some information also for buyers. So I look forward to seeing you soon, and thanks for joining me. Take care.